Namaste. Now that you have knowledge about pneumococcal disease, let's talk about the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine and various aspects related to it.
What is pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, PCV?
PCV protects children from severe forms of pneumococcal disease such as pneumonia, meningitis, and ear infection. It will not only protect against these conditions if caused by agent other than pneumococcus.
Is PCV a new vaccine?
No, PCV is not a new vaccine. 146 countries are currently using PCV in their national schedules. It is being used in India's universal immunization program since 2017. At present, under the UIP, PCV is available in 5 states and is now being expanded throughout the country. Also, since 2006, PCV is available in the private market in India.
Are there different types of PCV available? Yes, there are 2 types of PCV vaccines available under UIP. There are PCV10 and PCV13. They both protect against pneumococcal disease.
Why is PCV being introduced in the UIP in India?
PCV will reduce the disease burden and mortality in under 5 children due to pneumococcal disease, which is quite a common problem in India and kills many children.
Is PCV expensive?
Yes, PCV is an expensive vaccine. However, PCV will be provided free of cost under Universal Immunization Program. Who is eligible to receive PCV under Universal Immunization Program? PCV will be administered to children at 6 weeks, 14 weeks and 9 months of age. In cases where schedule is delayed, children who have received at least 1 dose of PCV before 1 year of age can be given remaining doses. The schedule is not to be started after 1 year of age. Children who are born premature, are malnourished or immunodeficient are also eligible and must receive the PCV vaccine. What is the presentation of PCV and how is it stored? PCV is a liquid vaccine and available in a 4 or 5 dose vial. It is freeze-sensitive vaccine and should not be frozen. Stored at a temperature of 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius in the ILR adjacent to pentavalent vaccine.
How should PCV be transported between different cold chain points?
It should be transported in cold boxes with conditioned ice packs.
How should PCV be transported to session sites?
Like other UIP vaccines, it should be given to the session site in a vaccine carrier with 4 conditioned ice packs.
Will the PCV vials have a vaccine vial monitor?
Yes, the VVM is placed on the body of the vial.
Is open vial policy applicable to PCV?
Yes, open vial policy is applicable. Vaccine has to be used within 28 days following all guidelines. This was a great session. I look forward to discussing more information about PCV in the next session. Please follow the COVID guidelines while vaccinating.